welcome to SA Tuning's four-wheel drive dyno cell. Okay, so we have a fully linked four-wheel drive dyno, which means we can run rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. There isn't really a car on the market now that we can't tune. And the reason why we have the dyno is so that the calibration data that we set and that we change in the software is exact. We can also log all the data necessary up to stupid speeds like 200 miles an hour safely and properly. Now we use the dyno as a diagnostics tool as well because we can run load through it. We can keep a car at say 135 miles an hour at a set load, set everything, and find those little niggles that other people can't. So when you're tuning a car, we want it to be perfect. And the only way you can really do that is with a fully linked four-wheel drive dyno, which we have. And that means that we will look after your car how we look after ours.